Alright everybody, good morning. So Mike, Cosmic Creations, we're going to go over final testing on a 6-row kit. Double the amount of LEDs on these. These are about 450 LEDs per ring here, or about 75 per strip, give or take. This is going out to Joe out in Texas, and this is going on his Escalade, so that's why there's 4. I know you guys are so used to seeing 3 here lately with the slingshot stuff, but so real popular with those guys here last year or so. But this is, like I said, it's Escalade. So we're gonna turn off the lights. I'm gonna try to one-hand this, and here we go. Woo. Oh, there we are. So really bright, really awesome. I mean, you guys see how bright they are. Trying to hold it to the battery here. I used to have gator clips and I broke one the other day. I need to solder one back on my test lead. But really nice, really super bright. And I mean, just looking at this face, you know, into it, it really hurts your eyes. The camera kind of dims it down quite a bit. Alright, so anyway, there you have it. Again, everything works like it should, as it should. And so we're going to get these boxed up and get them shipped out today. I've got some other stuff going out today. And we're going to keep right on rocking. I got some major kits coming up for Slingshot. I mean, top to bottom, every kit you can think of. So really appreciate their support. There's a link in the video description below to the website for prices and options. If there's not something there that you want to see or want, let me know. I can build it for you. In fact, I've got a lot of stuff that needs to be added to the website. I just don't have time because I'm constantly in build mode. So it's a time-consuming process, and right now I'm just constantly building and trying to fulfill orders. So anyway, hit me up, let me know. And see you guys on the next video.